Welcome friend, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing latest on the 7 pay commissions. So 7 pay commission latest news today. Center clarification on promotion that this center's government employee just can't afford to miss. So 7th pay commission latest news today. The central government has issued clarification regarding pro forma promotion to officers who are posted outside the cadre, including central deputation. In this clarification, the center has said that a central government servant holding posts outside the cadre may be granted pro forma promotion to the post in the 7th pay level specified in Rules 3 by the government of the state. The Department of Personal Training DOPT has already issued notification in this regard. The DOPT issued notification in this regard on 10th March 2021. In this light of the rule of IPS pay rules 2016, the DOPT said a member of the service may be considered for the grant of cadre promotion pro forma promotion by this concerned state if he or she would have been considered for promotion as he or she were in his her cadre and found fit for promotion subject to availability of vacancy as in case of regular promotion except for being posted outside the cadre on which she is born. So the DOPT notification went on to add that conditions enumerated under Rule 8 under Section 6 of the IS Pay Rule 2016, inter alia fitness of the member of the service to be appointed to the 7th Pay Commission Pay Level Next Bureau Rule and 141 Basic Act are to be considered towards the initial fixation of pay and increments after a member of service reverts back to the cadre subsequent to availing the pro forma promotion. So this is the latest for the 7th Pay Commission that Center Pay Commission latest news that center clarification promotion that these employee just can't afford to miss. Thank you for watching today my channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to like the channel. Till then, wait for my new video and then thank you. Bye bye.